Look at Bill, he's armed with an onion like it's a grenade.
And Phil's got a jar lid. Oh, this is gonna be weird.
Guys, you're watching Chef's First Dog. Don't forget to hit that like, it's about to get crunchy.
Okay, Phil's slicing that onion like a pro surgeon.
Crosscut, but not all the way through. Oh, he's making the onion bloom.
I bet half the audience's eyes are burning right now.
And the other half's already hungry.
Into the water it goes. Smart move.
Yeah, get rid of that onion rage.
Ray's watching like, bro, that's not food yet.
Next time, Phil cracks them like he's done this 10,000 times.
Bit of milk, whisk it up. Look at that texture.
Smooth. Almost too smooth. He's hiding a secret ingredient. I can feel it.
Now, the flour mix, salt, pepper, paprika.
That's the holy trinity of crunch.
You can almost smell it through the screen.
Yeah, if smell-o-vision existed, this would break the internet.
Oh, here comes the triple dip.
Fall first, then eggs. Perfect form.
That's what dedication looks like.
I swear, if they ever open a restaurant, I'm camping outside the door.
You'd be the first customer and the last one standing.
And there's Bill, bringing breadcrumbs like a hero.
Look at Ray. He's hypnotized by those onions.
Same, buddy. Same.
Bill's on fire duty, literally.
He's lighting up that fryer like it's the 4th of July.
That oil's ready to explode.
One wrong move and boom, crispy eyebrows.
Here we go, into the oil.
Oh my, that's sizzle. That's the ASMR of champions.
One onion fell apart.
Doesn't matter, flavor explosion still secure.
Phil's switching gears. Sauce mode.
Butter melting, flour going in, smooth operator.
He's stirring like he's mixing destiny.
A touch of spice, salt, paprika, pepper.
That color, though, looks like autumn in a pan.
You said no autumn talk.
Right? Looks like victory in a pan.
Here come the cream and cheese. That's liquid gold right there.
He's stirring like it's a potion of happiness.
And boom! Sauce done!
Somebody needs to bottle that and sell it to humanity.
Time for the taste test!
Look at that crunch. Insane.
Ray got his piece!
If Ray approves, we all approve.
Guys, smash that like button if you want more crispy chaos next week.
And subscribe, or Ray might eat your dinner next time.